we're back with another teen number. What number do you think we're going to learn about today? Any ideas? We're going to learn about the number 17. Did you say 17? Awesome! We are learning all about the number 17 today. So what is 17? 17 is 10 and then 7 more. 7 more. Look, we even have the number 7 in our number 17. We have a 1 and a 7. So we first have our 1 to represent our 10, because 10 is a 1 and then a 0. So this is representing our 10, and then we need 7 more. So then we have this big number 7. That's how we write the number 17. Let's practice writing our number 17. Have my marker. What number comes first when I'm writing my number 17? Yes, my number 1. My number 1 comes first. I need to write a number 1. All right, so I have my 1 that's representing my 10. What comes next? How many more after 10 make 17? 7. So now I'm going to write my number 7. And this is the number 17. I just wrote the number 17. All right, let's do it one more time. I'm going to write my number 1, and then I need to write my number 7. That's how I write my number 17. So this poster shows us all the ways that we can represent the number 17. We can use our hands, our counting fingers. So we have 10 and 5 and 2 more. All of those fingers, if we counted them, would make 17. We have tally marks. So we have 5 and then 5 and 5 more. That's 15. And then if you have 2 more tally marks, that's 17. So that's another way to represent the number 17. We also have our cube towers representing the number 17, because we have 10 on this side, and then we have 7 on this side, and that makes 17. 10 and 7, that makes 17. We also have our tens frame. Our tens frame, this right here is representing the number 17. All right, I want to practice with you building the number 17 with my cube towers. So I'm going to start with my blue tower. I want to make sure there's 10 because I know I need to start with 10 to build my number 17. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know I have 10. Now how many more do I need to build the number 17? Yes, I need 7 more because 17 is 7 more than 10. So I have my 10. Now I need 7. So I'm going to take 7 of these red counters. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 right there. So now I have built the number 17 with my cube towers. I have 10 and 7 more. That makes the number 17. All right, another way I want us to practice our number 17 is with our tens frame. So I know that 17 is 10 and then some more. So I know I have to fill in this whole first tens frame. So I'm going to start with adding 10 counters because I know this whole tens frame needs to be filled. All right, every box has a counter. And I know that this is 1 tens frame, so I know that this is 10 counters. Now, to get the number 17, I need to add more counters to my second tens frame. And I can do that by counting on from 10, because remember, I know that if this is filled with all the counters, then I know it's 10. So we're going to count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I just built the number 17. I had 10, and then I have 7 more. I know my first row is 5, and then I have 2 more, which makes 7. So I have 10 in my tens frame, and then I have 7. Well, 10 and 7 more is 17. So I just built my number 17 with my tens frame, or in my tens frame. Can you think of other ways to build the number 17? Maybe you could get your crayons out and count 17 crayons. That would be a way to build the number 17. You're using objects in your house to represent the number 17. All right, so let's finish this up by telling me how many more is 17. Let's finish up with saying what is 17? 17 is 10 and then some more. How much more? 7 more. Thanks for learning about the number 17 with me.